Hi, this is Henry from Starlity. In today's video, I'm gonna demonstrate how to sign up on Starlity and how Starlity processes your product. And here we go. So first, go to Starlity website. And after you got into the Starlity website, you see a text box here to ask you to type in your product name. For example, I have a Super Nano Engine Restorer that I want to sell, so I type in Super Nano Engine Restorer here. And then click on the button next to the text box and get the free listing. So after you press the button, you will get into this page and they will ask you for more information about your product, like the brand name and two features about your product. So my brand name is and let's say my product is cost effective and durable. And after you finish that, you can see the detail of your product here. Then you can press next. At this page, you are gonna upload the photo of your product, and please make sure the photo has a pure white background because this is required by Amazon. Otherwise, after your product has been listed to Amazon, they may delete the photo of your product, and of course, we have to avoid that. So I'm gonna choose my product photo. And then press next. And then you're gonna type in the selling price of your product. And remember, the currency used here is USD. So if you're using other currency, please make sure to convert it to USD. And then press next. So if you have any additional information about your product, like companions, certificates, product catalog, or any packaging of your product you want to add, you could upload the information here. And if you do not have any additional information to upload, then you can just check the box here and press next. Okay, now we are almost finished. You can click submit now, or if you have any more information you want to add, you can just add now or do it later. So I don't have any more information to provide, so I just click submit now. Now you can see your product upload is finished, and Starlity team will review your listing within 2 to 3 working days. And once it's finished, you will receive the notification on Starlity dashboard. And you can upload another product or share more information about your product when you are waiting for the team to review your product. So click done. And here at the top of the dashboard, you can see the progress and the current status of your product. And after the Starlity team review your product, you can view your product at the product listing sections here, and you can click view to check all the information of your product. So we click view, and then we go to this page, and then we scroll down to the bottom of the page, and you will see this, and you have successfully listed your product on Amazon, and you can click the button here, see listing, and it will direct you to the Amazon product result page, and we click see listing. And now you have completed the whole process of listing on Starlity. So congratulations and thank you for watching. More video about Starlity are coming soon. Stay tuned.